talk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way.
Guys, this is the before. This is how my office slash Vanity looks like now. This is my big mirror, so you guys, you can see it's a mess. It's a mess. Everything is everywhere. Look at that. Look at that, girl. Everything is just everywhere, like you can see. Oh my goodness, there's everywhere, everything, everywhere. So this is my before. This is my wigs. Others are on the floor, and it's just a mess. It's just a mess, guys. It's just a messy place. Arranging, and I'm going to use this foils. You call them foil because I want to, as you can see here on my table here where I put my where on my counter, it's counter or desk, I have this table desk, was made by my husband and my brother-in-law, and they painted it. Like, this is paint, but you see, guys, if I scratch it when I'm trying to clean it, when I have foundation or when I have nail polish go to it or something, so it's very kind of not easy to clean. So I want to put this foil. I want to DIY this foil here on top, and then I'll show you guys when I finish. So yeah, it's going to be very nice, and it's just an easy job. It's not so much. Look, I have the everything. Then I will give you a tour after I finish, guys. So I see you later. So guys, I've removed the things here. I have them all over. So sorry guys, I'm breathing, I was dancing. So I've removed everything on top, and now I'm going to put this one. I'm going to put this foiling on top. See how nice it is? And then, because it goes until here, and then I will just connect them from here. So I'm going to put it here, and then guys, I'm coming back and show you how it's gonna look. So let me just do that.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Guys, I finished the first one there. As you can see how it looks so cute, right? Oh my goodness, I thought it was easy, but it's a lot of job, because you have to make sure that the air inside is you have to make sure that there's no air inside them. So you have, I'm using this how do you call it, the things that you put drinks on top when you put on the table. Yeah, so I took one of these, so I make sure that like when I'm putting it, I'm just removing all the air using this one. So I've already put the first one, so I'm going to put this one, and then I'm going to end up with here. So here, focus please. So here I'm going to make sure that I cut, because I have some the what do you call it, this one, to open, because this is a drawer, so it has this I don't know how these things are called. You guys help me there in the comment section. So I'm going to cut here, like to put here, and then I'll take a small piece, I just measure here, and then I put here too. So I'm going to continue with this, the second one. I'm going to continue, this is the second one, and see how it's going to end, because I thought it was an easy job, but girl. Anyway guys, let me continue, and then I'll show you when I finish. So guys, I've already finished this side. I'm so tired, oh my goodness, but I'm going to do my best to finish it. So I'm using blow dry to warm up a little bit the edges so it can stick nicely. So that's what I just do. That's why I have blow dry on top there. So as you can see, guys, oh, I already love it. I already love it. So I'm going to do the other side. Like this side, I'm going to remove all these things, and I'm gonna finish this side. Then I come back when I already finished, and I show you guys how it looks. I already love it. Look how it looks, guys. Ooh, I can't wait. It's so nice, guys. Look. Oh, can't wait. I just can't wait. You can't believe what happened. So today is the next day. So yesterday I didn't finish doing my desk because the material was not enough. So I had to send my husband to bring me when he was from work, because I didn't want to go to the shop. And you guys know, with this epidemic, I didn't want to go with my daughter to the store where we buy it. So if you live in the Netherlands, you guys knows that I live in the Netherlands, so you can buy these ones in Praxis, and one is €6.29, and as you can see, let me give you information. I'm using the Mable gray self-adhesive decoration foil. So this is what I'm using, and this is what we have here. So I had to send him more too. And because yesterday I thought I had a smaller piece that was going to fix here, but it was too small, so I had to send him. So he brought me those two, and now I'm going to remove these things again and put them on the floor, because I didn't do anything. Everything is just a mess. Here is just a mess, guys. Everything is mess. Everything. Give you a tour, and I'm going to show you how I arrange. Maybe I can help someone, you never know. So yeah, so let me just go ahead and finish, and then I'll give you a tour how I am going to decorate it and everything. So you guys, I see you later. So you guys, I'm finished. It's done. It's done. It has taken me some time, but guys, look. Ooh, so cute. So I'm done with this. It looks so cute, guys. So I'm going to arrange on top here, and then the side, and then put my everything. I still need to buy, like, I want to buy here, like you see my floor is carpet, but I need some nice, a little bit bright carpet here that only fits here, a small one, just to make it, just to brighten up the place. So yeah, I'm going to arrange everything. It's now a mess. Those things are not supposed to be there. I'm just going to put them everywhere, anyway, in their places where they're not. I don't like them there. I don't think they look good there, and they're always not there. So yeah, your girl was a little bit lazy, so I just throw them there. But this is how it looks now. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Oh, sometimes you have to learn to do things yourself, and I love it, guys. I love it. Just like, ooh, girls. Now let me just arrange here, and then I come back and I show you. I thought to give you an update how it's going. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to, there's that one is going, and the roller there is going, the candle is going here. So I've read somewhere, I've cleaned here, under there I've already cleaned. I'll give you a tour when I finish, but this is how it's looking now. The table, it's going great. So I still need to arrange that, but not much. And as you see on this side, oh, I still have to do a lot. It's still messy. So you guys, I've already arranged the end there where I put where there's where you see the mirror there. I have the nail, my nail stuff, my nail products, where what I use, and the nail machine, the nail dryers, I don't know how you call it, dryer or something. I have them all there. My nail items and whatever. So I've already arranged there, and up there I have my some of the things that I haven't used, the exercising. I will show you, I will give you a tour, don't you worry. But this is how it's looking now. I still need to arrange here. As you can see, there's still a lot of things, and I still need to clean here. So yes, so let me just go ahead. I just wanted to give you an update. So like I told you, this is the second day, so I hope that I'm going to finish today, because I don't know, maybe I'll finish tomorrow, but it's already a little bit late. And I need to cook. I need to, at 4 o'clock I start to work. So yes, so but I think it's gonna be fine. I already love how it looks. I already love, it's already giving my space a very nice feeling. And yes, I just love it, guys. So let me just finish, then I my office. This is the third day, and guys, this is how it's looking like. Oh my goodness, I thought like I was going to just do it one day and then it's done, but this is how this side is already done. As you can see, guys, this side is done, but this side where you're seeing on the mirror is still a mess, and on the table there we still have to do some things. Like this flower is going away, these things are going, those are, it's like it's still, we still have a lot of here because I have to clear here. So yeah, but here it's fine. I just want to arrange this wig side and then yeah, and then I'm going to to clear this side, and this side is still a lot of job, but I'm going to make sure that I finish it. And here it's already fine. I just have to need to remove some things, like that one nail, those nail files, and this one has to go back up there. So let me just finish quickly because I have a lot to do today, not only. So I'm going to try my best to finish it today, and then vacuum. And then I need to buy I need here, like on top of here, I want to buy like 2, maybe 1 here or 1 here and 1 here. I want to buy the hanging plants, yeah, the real hanging plants, so I have more greeneries here. So guys, let me just finish here doing the floor, and also I want, like I told you, I want to go and look for a carpet, a lighter carpet, just here, just on in between here, not the whole thing. And then yeah, so let me just finish here and doing everything and make sure that everything, and throw away the, and then I'll come back, guys, and show you what's the how far we've gone.
Let me escape from this unlove, 'cause I'm